Hi, I'm Robin Worley, founder of ADAPTS LLC. Thank you so much for inviting us to the Travelability Shark Tank. As a former flight attendant, I recognized an unmet safety need for wheelchair users when there's an emergency evacuation on an airplane. So in 2017, I created the ADAPTS portable transfer sling for this reason. With the help of a successful Kickstarter campaign, we funded our first production run and we've been taking off ever since. Whether you're checking into a hotel, boarding a cruise, or exploring a theme park, ADAPTS is your travel companion that's always ready for takeoff. And while no one plans for emergencies, being prepared is part of being empowered. ADAPTS is a lightweight, portable transfer sling designed to help wheelchair users transfer safely, swiftly, and with dignity, especially when the unexpected happens. It's the rescue sling you can use every day. We've been honored with awards such as the NATIX Expo in the UK, and we've proudly showcased ADAPTS for years at Abilities Expos across the United States. We've heard one thing again and again. Why doesn't every airline and hotel have one of these for customers who use wheelchairs? The answer is because here's the truth. Claiming your property is wheelchair accessible is only half the effort needed to be truly accessible. What's your plan when the pool lift is broken or when the elevator is out of service? Hosts also need to address wheelchair accessibility when disaster strikes and their customers can't use their wheelchair to evacuate. If elevators are off or a first responder isn't available yet, why wait? ADAPTS offers a safe and supported egress, bringing peace of mind to guests, families, and staff alike. ADAPTS is a different kind of sling. It's affordable enough to be stocked in every accessible room, and it's compact enough to be stowed with emergency equipment on an airplane. It's intuitive to use, weighs 1.15 pounds, and it can be deployed in seconds. It's the only sling designed for use both ways, meaning head to foot down a narrow aisle or corridor, or side by side for lateral transfers. It can go around corners where stretchers can't go, and it's the only sling designed for a completely paralyzed or incapacitated person control. So, if you're ready to elevate your accessibility game and truly welcome all vacationers, let's talk. Request a quote at Robin, ROBIN, at adapts.org. And join the movement that's making travel safer, smarter, and more inclusive, one lift at a time. ADAPTS isn't just a product, it's a promise that your destination is ready, welcoming, and safe for everyone. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to present to you.